After watching this video till the end, you will get your Instagram data in a structured way like this. You will get ID, you will get post source domain where you get the data from, you will get URL to that post, you will get body text of the post, you will get who is the author, you will get how many media files associated with that post, you will get image and video URLs here, you will get how many people liked it, how many people have commented on a post, and much more. So be with me till the end of this video. Hi guys, this is Dr. Muhammad Awais and you're watching Dr. Square. Today we are going to look at how to save data from Instagram into Excel in a simple, structured and responsible way. In this video, the focus is strictly on legal, ethical and policy compliant methods of accessing information that is already publicly visible. We are not bypassing security, scraping private content or violating user privacy. Instead, we are working within the boundaries of what the platform allows and what is appropriate for academic analysis. Exporting Instagram data into Excel makes it much easier to organize posts, captions, engagement metrics, and other observable elements into a structured dataset. And from there, you can move toward qualitative coding, content analysis, or computational analysis using research tools. By the way, I am a certified expert and trainer of NVivo and MAXQDA, and also I provide one-on-one guidance on social media data analysis using R and Python. If you want to meet with me one-on-one, consider sending an email on the email showing on your screen. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and be with me until the end of this video. Now let's get started. You should have Mozilla Firefox installed. You can download it from the link given in the description of this video. It is just another web browser like Google Chrome. After installing it, you have to get another file which ends with .xpi. You can see it here. I have given another link in the description of this video to download this file. Now I assume you are using Mozilla Firefox and you have this file. Go to Mozilla Firefox, hit at this 3-line button, go to extensions and themes, hit at this setting like button, and then go to install add-on from file and select that .xpi file that you just downloaded. Hit open. So this add-on is ready to install. Hit at add. If you want to pin it to toolbar, just select it and hit OK. You will see that add-on here. Now open Instagram inside Mozilla Firefox and log in with your regular credentials. I'm logged in with my credentials and I have opened a profile of Shah Rukh Khan, which is a famous celebrity. The next step that you should do is open this add-on. Here you will find Instagram post, hit on and go back to Instagram, refresh it. You will see the same profile, right? And if you go back to this add-on, you will see 12 posts have been already saved. So now on Instagram, as you scroll down, you will see new posts, right? So as you see new post, this number will be increased. It means 48 Instagram posts have been saved, you have seen. So as you scroll down, the number of items will be increased, the number of posts will be increased. Now just to save your time, I will leave it to you to scroll till the end. Let's assume you have scrolled till the end and I assume you have this final number here. What is the next step? You should download .NDJSON file by hitting here. You can see that it is saved. Now let's recap. Mozilla Firefox, you are using Mozilla Firefox, I assume. And then you have this add-on installed inside Mozilla Firefox. And then you have opened a celebrity page or whatever page you want to get data into the CSV. And then you have downloaded .NDJSON file. Now you are just one step away to get your CSV. After that, you have your NDJSON file. Open this web page. I have given the link to this web page in the description as well. Now just drag and drop that Instagram.ndjson file to this web page. And here you go, you have your CSV file ready for reviewing. So here is the file, let's open it. So you have ID, you have post source domain where you get the data from, you have URL to the post, you have body text of that post, you have author full name and so many other things, and then you have timestamp with date and year plus with the actual time, and then number of media files associated with that post, if there is any hashtag used with that post, how many people have liked it, how many people have commented it. If the location is public, you will get the location details here, and also you will get the image URLs and video URLs in these two columns. So you see how easy it is to get the data into this structured form. The key takeaway is that this process focuses only on information that is already publicly visible. We are not accessing private accounts, not bypassing platform protections, and not doing anything that violates user privacy or platform rules. Responsible and ethical use of social media data should always come first, especially in academia and research context. And before using your dataset, make sure you review Instagram's official policies and terms. And as I told you in the very beginning, if you want support beyond data collection, I also provide one-on-one guidance. I'm a certified expert and trainer in NVivo and MAXQDA, and I assist researchers with analysis in R and Python. So whether you are planning qualitative coding, content analysis, or computational text analysis, you are welcome to get in touch. My email is on the screen. If you want to get the images associated with the post downloaded in a folder, just send me an email and we will find a solution. Once again, this is about working with publicly available data in legal, ethical, and academically responsible way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.